Welcome to Wreck It with Rex. And today on Wreck It with Rex, Whack It with Wex, Wreck It with Rex, we're going to try and paint our wall. As you can see, we've partially painted it. Ably assisted by...
I'm always doing that, taking photographs of the back of the telly.
Yeah, seeing where everything goes back in.
Box and that.
Not good for my rotator cuff. Marks, like little drip marks, but I think that adds to the character of the job.
You don't notice unless you're close.
But we'll have to go around the architrave with a little paintbrush to tidy it all up, but
Yep.
getting there. So my phone cut out earlier when we were painting, and as you can see, we've done most of the painting. I've done this previously. So we've gone, all we need to do is finish off there. We just need to redo up the top there, you can see, and then we'll put everything back up. And that's the lounge room done. I'm so excited. It's painted and it's ready to put everything back. Eek!